Hi, it's Becky, and today I am finally going to open up the bargain bead box for July, the Plumage box, and get it organized in my favorite little organizer. And I'll put a link to those down here. This specific organizer I just emptied. I had like 3 beads left from the Soft Flex Under the Sea kit, a couple of bead caps, and I put them into my orphan beads box so that I've got them just hanging out there for if I want extra beads or if I want to do some stuff with that. But I am really excited because I love these colors so far. For this, it's supposed to be peacock colors. So we've got jewel tone hues of blue and green, peacock feather motifs, lapis lazuli, chrysocolla, deep green agate, some rhinestone beads, and the silver tone findings. And there's a coupon that I'm going to turn this over so that we can do that. You've probably seen unboxings with these because everybody has done it so far except for me because I was busy moving all of my stuff here, so I didn't have a chance to do this yet. So let's just get these open, take a look at what we've got, and get them into our handy dandy organizer. I'm gonna get this open so I can put these in here when I'm ready. I've got some clippers and some scissors so that I can open some strands when we need to. And otherwise, I'm just gonna get these in here. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is get these findings in here. It looks like we've got some bead caps, and it looks like I might have got a little extra something in this package. Where did it go? Here it is. I have no idea what this is, but it it was just hanging out there in my little package of bead caps. So, but these are the bead caps, and they are this like filigree type of bead cap. And there are tons of them. We are going to be able to do so much stuff with that. So I'm going to stick this in my little extra passenger hitchhiker. I'm going to stick these actually right in here, right in this center bit. Where are you going? All right, and then I believe in addition to these bead caps, we've got some spacers, and it looks like these are these rhinestone spacers. Ooh, they've got like, it looks like the crystal in here has some like AB coating. Let me look at that was 4 brass grade A rhinestone AB spacers. It does. So you can see it's got a bunch of flashy stuff going on in that with those different colors. This is going to look fantastic with all of these. And I'm going to stick them right next to my bead caps. Now there's some chain that we've got. I'm not going to pull the chain out because I just want it to sit in there and be happy in its little space. Looks like we've got some connectors. Looks like a chandelier connector. I'm not going to do full descriptions for all of these because I just don't feel like doing that right now. All right, so we've got chandelier connectors or 3-into-1s. I'm going to stick those there. Probably these will go in there with them, and it looks like these are gorgeous actually. Which ones were these? 13 stainless steel laser cut feather charms. I'm just gonna get a little closer. Maybe tip this up towards the light a little bit better so you can see it like that. All right, these are going in here with these so that we have room for our other bits. And then we've got a pendant. So I got all the metals out. And this pendant includes, this is number 16, brass and lapis lazuli peacock pendant. I like that. All right, and until I know how much I can spread out some of these other ones, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here with the chain, and then we'll figure out, because some of these might take up more space than the others. Oh, I forgot, we've got clasps too. There's little more metals. Ooh, I love these clasps. Look at this. Like the clasp part looks like a feather. These are going to be fun. These are going to be super fun. I'm going to put these in here with these other metal pieces. All right. Now let's get to some of our strands of things. These are probably the biggest beads in here. Looks like we got some discos. And they've got a band around the middle of them. They're this really gorgeous viridian color with a sparkly band. This is going to sparkle everywhere. Let's take them off the, oh, it's tied in a knot. Let's go ahead and clip that. And let's get that in here, and probably because they're so large, they may not all fit in one of these little containers. So I can take out this divider if I need to for more room, and I'm gonna have to do that. Yep. All right. Put that divider down, and now they've got some room to spread around. All right, that's why I start with the bigger ones, by the way, to make sure that they have sufficient space. All right. And the second largest ones are going to be these. They are number 5, grade A rhinestone pave beads, or is it pave? I don't know how to pronounce it. Pave, but look at all of the different colors. These are perfect peacock colors. Perfect. Look how great they are. Oh my gosh, I want to use these all in the same project with all of those colors. I'm going to stick them right here. I reserve the right to move them around if I feel like they need more space. Hold on, we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we are definitely going to have enough room for all of these. This one, it looks like it is one of our gemstones. This is the lapis lazuli rounds. Beautiful dark blue. This is a string, so let's get the scissors out. I'm gonna cut it between them because that knot does not want to cut. Get it? Knot, cut. I'm hilarious. Sometimes I use up all of my humor in the day, and then when it gets to be the nighttime, all that's left is the dumb. So that's what you guys get. Because I'm all done with work and I am ready to sort some beads out. Oh, these are pretty. Which number was that? Number 9 or 6? One or the other. Let's see. These are not bead caps, so it's definitely 6. It is a 7.5-inch strand of 8x6 crystal rondelle indigo beads, and they are so sparkly. I love how sparkly and blue this entire box is. It is sparkly and blue and beautiful. And you are going right here. No, okay, I guess you want to be over there. That's fine. Oh boy, this strand is a little bit of a mess. cut that part of the wire. And this part of the wire. This very, very, very thin wire always pokes me in the fingers, and I hate it. Always. Because they're very tiny little holes, but then they hurt. You know? So I got some sparkle here. Here's some more blue sparkle. Let's get this in here in this part. It is the English cut crystal round beads, Indigo AB. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. You know what? These are like almost more purple color-wise than they are blue. I get the Indigo AB though. All right, I'm gonna cut here on this wire. Whoop. Get them in here next to these guys. You know, I may be able to just stick my little pendant in its own space since we have enough room for everybody else to have their own rooms. All right, let's undo. Nope, it's poking my fingers again. I told you. Every time. Ow. Okay. And one of my escapees landed in here. In the bead caps. I do like those bead caps though. They are very, make me think of like Indian royalty. If that makes any sense. Which I mean would be appropriate for this box, I guess. All right, what do we have next? Which one should we do? I think this, number 10. This is more gemstone. It's agate. Round beads. Oh, these are beautiful, beautiful blue, green. I like these. These are 6 millimeters. Let's get all of these guys where they need to go. This is a very long strand. There are a lot of these beads. I love that. Oh, means that I'm going to have a lot of beads to work with while I'm making some things. I have some plans for some things that I want to make, but I want to get these organized so that I can start making from this while I am doing this. All right, let's get these in here. All right, this is our next gemstone, number 2. This is the lapis and chrysocolla. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Like, sometimes I think I'm pronouncing things the way that they should be said and they're not. And that's what I get for like learning a lot of my vocabulary from reading instead of from listening. Like, let me tell you, like the first time I ever heard the word Mesopotamia said out loud was after I had already been called on to read for the entire class in my 6th grade social studies class. And it was chapter 1, and I of course raised my hand because I was like, I'm an excellent reader. I can read out loud really well. And I said Mesopotamia in front of everybody. I was 11 and I was super embarrassed. But I learned how to pronounce it properly after that. But now I am a little bit nervous sometimes to, if I haven't heard it pronounced before, to know if I'm saying it right. So if I'm not pronouncing chrysocolla the right way, let me know, because it sounds like I might be butchering it like I did with Mesopotamia by calling that Mesopotamia. And chrysocolla might be like the wrong way to pronounce that, but look how great these are gonna look all together. I'm just gonna move this a little bit closer so you can see these colors better. Ah, this was a really well thought out box. A really well thought out box. I love these. Oh man, this is gonna be fun to play around with. Let me tell you, super fun to play around with. Oh, look at how shiny they are. Look at how shiny they are. This is so great. I'm sorry. I need shiny stuff in my life apparently because this is just filling me with so much joy with all the sparkles and all the shine and the blues and the greens, and they're just such vibrant blues and greens, which is my favorite thing about peacock colors. It's just the vibrancy of it. I love this. Oh man, should I do a painting with some of my jewelry with this color palette with these deep blues and these greens and some of these yellowy greens, and try and get as much vibrancy as possible in a painting? Let me know, because I would be happy to do that while I'm making something with this color palette to do a painting with the same color palette, because I have several different watercolors that I could choose from, and some of them have extremely vibrant blues and extremely vibrant greens, and this is really fun. This is a fun strand to play with. This is rainbows. This is rainbows, and I love it. Everything about this. Which one was this? Let me read the thing. Crystal Rondelle Beads Indigo AB. Yes. Yes, this is beautiful. Beautiful. You know what? Maybe I will try just painting a peacock feather. Let me do some research. See if I can do just a single feather with some colors, and when I do that, I will make a necklace with some of these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And we will have it. I think that would be good. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you want to see that, and I can make it happen. But otherwise, thank you for hanging out with me today while I unboxed and organized the Plumage bargain bead box. Thanks. Bye.